up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some of G's right now, you don't know some of days. It's a new vlog, it's a new day. Right now, last night was crazy. Last night we stay up and play FIFA all night. Me, Lucian, Jakes and Bingy, and I drink Hennessy and just I play FIFA all night and I enjoy myself. I got my bed late because I have to end up edit the vlog one I watch today, which is Monday. I have to edit the vlog there early this morning, so I know I really kind of not get no sleep yet, but yeah, it worth it because the vlog that is lit. Now, today we don't know what I'm going yet. Lucian upstairs, Lucian asleep. I know Lucian wake up and at 2 o'clock right now. Me not too long wake up, I'm still tired. You know what I mean? Cause after I wake up early this morning, boom, as me upload the vlog, I swear to you, as me upload it, me drop right back asleep. Just wake up back again and I feel like me not get no sleep, literally no sleep. But I wake up like a while, forward in the kitchen, steam some swim around and fry some plantain. You know what I mean? Whole heap of thing go on, whole heap of thing go on. I can show you what's going right now. Lucian, I don't know what time Lucian I wake up. 2 o'clock now as me say. So when Lucian wake up, then we forward in back and check in with it. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have some fried plantain, some mashed potato, you know what I mean? Boil the Irish and just mash it myself. And we have some steamers right here, so. So as me say, Lucian upstairs asleep. You can't go and sleep. You want to know what I'm going down here, so? You don't know what I'm going down here, so. So right now, alright, make me go over this spot. Normally there, you know? And see what can go on, you know. Where me I go first? Potatoes. It gone already. It just melt. Watch out. It just melt. It's so flaky and just, oh my god. Swimmer's time now. It just get better every time. So I'm going to fry plantain. I'm gonna make enough for me and Lucian. I don't know if Lucian consume mashed potato. I don't know if him consume sumaron. If he not consume sumaron and mashed potato, then I will be having 2 plates. You know what I mean? And if I something consume, then feed me around there. Yeah man, the food bad man. Oh god man. Look at a piece of ripe plantain. My didn't come back, my son come. Jesus Christ. Some of G's them right now. I sleep out the whole idea. Lucian there, Lucian sleep out the whole idea.
Sleep out the whole idea, brother. Yeah.
Oh, the food. We forgot to talk to them about the food, you know.
Brother.
Oh Lord, man.
Chef, you know.
Oh Lord,
You know what I want?
All that.
So my French fried mackerel.
French fried mackerel? We are deal with it. We are got Jill right now. Some would call it Jim. But a Jill we are got right now. You exercise and be something. You know what I mean? Spaceship out here, man. I don't think me need nothing more out of this house. Bring the boot here for Chabas. Ricky in the building.
Pick up my G's, them. Got the Ricky.
That's why we are going to jail. That's why we are going to jail, you know. Yeah, Chabas over there. Chabas should have worked out already from morning, you know.
Only for people to fight them and go there.
Yeah, only for people to move out. But no, them come like then the dash way be something because I saw a moving truck coming, bringing them stuff. Yeah, we're there right here. Yo, the sun glare, yeah. Mad. So I'm ready for you, Jill. Lujan no dressing up, because Lujan never know say Jill did that go on.
Jill or Jim?
Jill. Jim me I go?
I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, Jill me I go. Two different places. Drop me off for Jill.
Yeah. When are they with Jim?
Yo, we are going to try the exercising something. Yo, boy. Me I go sore. I don't know, I never go in there before. Yo, me feel if I pull it right there, so too, you know.
Chuck off in that pool.
What that me should I do? Chuck off in that pool instead of go jail. I burn more calories in that pool and swim up and down like me not no sense. Should I bring on my headphone, you know, for listen to music while
Yeah, but I'm pretty but when I say all of you, I got it out there. I should I bring the little boom box.
Little boom box? Oh, for music?
Yeah.
Damn. The one that is this part upside the one of me there. I plug in my own thing in a surround sound. Yeah. Just play through the whole jail. Yeah, so as we say, people, right now we're there. And it's the first day of this exercising stuff, yeah. Today make 1 week since me I eat right, you know.
That's good.
1 week since no chicken, no rice, none of them like something, you know. So swimmers, broccoli, cauliflower and baiting. Woo! It's a journey, but you know.
Journey with our new journey.
Journey with the new journey. Ricky make it look easier, that's why I think I could have do it, but I'm baffled.
For the full part?
Yeah.
No, you have to put your mind to it.
Boy, my mind. So more you know I hear what me have to say. Yeah, so Jill right now we are going to link up with Boss. So tune in with me when we reach.
Yo, me nearly slide and jump, you know. Me G's them. What not doing ready?
What for going?
What you mean for the walk?
Mr. Waffy Guan.
So vlogger, right now we're here. My G's them we're here. And we're going to work out today as a group. You see, Lujan in the building right there.
Yes, man, do it for the vlog.
Ricky, sing back that. Sing back that again. Do it again.
Do it for the vlog. You got my G's then.
Alright. Ricky in the building right here on his phone. And Booba right there. And we're all going to work out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, them have water fountain.
Yeah.
That Chabas at him, but him never say fountain. Chabas never knows a water fountain in him. He say water something. Right now we're about to figure out Jill, so big up on yourself. So vlog world, right now we're here. We're in the gym. We now waste no time. We're in the jail. You gotta listen properly. Lose it. Look, yo, it's a pool table there, saying. Yeah, we're there.
Put in a cup and just put on the bar. Oh, yeah, you can play pool.
Who can play pool? No. Alright, so today basically me, alright, let me tell you what we are dealing with today. Me now lift no weights today, me just a run. You know, so when you're forward in the gym, you have to just run first. Yeah, and exercise, me not jump into it, me ease my way into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, talk to them.
There is no way me go jump in at the thing and just start lift weights. Look at my muscle already. Them kind of cut, them just not cut right yet. Yeah. So once me start jog and then me stamina. Me stamina up. Yeah. Then we start lift weights. Right. And that's it then. Ricky already got jail. Ricky known for jail, so Ricky I got be the main guy in here teaching us the equipment. Which equipment for the what? Cause we know say this for run, that's it.
Should I bring my headphone them, you know?
Same thing everybody at talk about headphone. Lujan in here I lift up.
I lift up to a jail jog them.
To a jail jog them. Yeah man. And guys, we have upstairs up there. I should have go as I go run, the view is better. No, it don't look like on a running machine upstairs. Probably one up there. Probably one. Yeah, alright, so right now I'm gonna just start running and just get right in. What you say I'm gonna do? Me hear you say something like that. And that is such a what? Alright, so get way. Get way.
You know what I want?
You have to open up no legs.
If you open up your legs, that's what you think so. Yeah.
You have to open up no legs.
Yeah, you hear me going in my crap now? Right now we just a walk. May I do 20 minutes right now, so may I go probably walk 5 and run the rest of 15, you know? Get the muscle them warm up just you know? Yeah, we out here. Walk, get to body. Vlog room right now. Yeah, these things are going right now. We're on 20 minutes so far, and not too bad, you know. Yeah, Ricky over there, so Ricky I run with me to 20 minutes. Me gone, so Ricky gone 20 minutes. Yeah, yeah, me I run an extend. Yeah, watch out.
Yo, fat dog, no more.
You say what?
Fat.
Why you come to a conclusion then? Belly. One saying belly. I'm over there. We are doing it, people. We are doing it. And a joke thing. May I run 10 more minutes and then jump off. May I walk 1 more minute and then pick up at the running. We can't run with the camera, so check it with me. Good, me G.
So all of my G's them. Right now we're in the gym. Right now we are workout. Yo, my workout in my week, catch up. Illusion in our building. Boom.
Don't know things set, you know?
Let's sing a song.
It's illusion.
Yeah, see it. For the G's them.
For the G's then.
Boy, Bash they have workout, some good workout, Bash I do. What else will kill me? Go on, don't give up. Tell him, never give up. Tell him.
Should never give up.
You see it. You see it, you see it.
Sunshine.
Yo, this look fun on the man. Do not give up. So let me see what I want with Famous. Yo, Famous I do good, but now like. Hold on, Mr. Oh, they kind of pass out.
Yeah, what 20 minutes, 2 left.
Illusion, you know me that play? Yo, I'm not like. Yeah, sweat. Yo, let me show you another gym. So this is the gym. See? Then we have upstairs stuff. See? Really nice in here. You know, like. Yo, your yard nice, Bash. Everyone's sore. What are you talking? But we're there, man. When we fall back,
Yo,
I'm supposed to drill.
sexy when you see me again.
Easy.
Yeah, I want to do a couple of them. Yeah, makes sense.
Alright,
You ready? Alright, me and Ricky over here, so watch
35,
out.
man, that's 35, right?
Oh, them not do that.
No, I'm not saying, I'm sure.
I'm a killer dog. Yo.
You have to lay down and do it like you do thing that's 70 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah, bad old man, I tell me that. Yo, watch this, brother.
Yo, the abs machine mash me up, man.
Upstairs, they go up on the abs machine.
No, see that?
Oh.
Abs are killing me. Most of them chap.
Most of ganja?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm dead. Them dead, my dead. Them dead, my dead. My dead, them dead.
Ricky, I sweat.
Them are still sweat.
Yeah, for real, this one here choke. Illusion, walk on.
Yeah, man, I'm going easy, you know.
Right, so.
We not stop, no time.
No time.
Not?
Me run, but
Yeah, dead.
me do. Me go more than half.
Yo, if you're skinny man,
Yeah.
Illusion. No.
It's illusion.
Illusion.
Illusion still a walk. Illusion the way of one place. Yeah.
Illusion no reach
It was
back
a nice. It was a nice look out.
Illusion no reach back yet. We are waiting for
It was a nice little workout.
Yo, me feel good about myself and all that.
Yeah, me feel.
No, I feel good tonight when the bed was sleep.
Me feel good. Especially because me I consume right too.
Yo, let's do a bet.
Yeah.
Who can get the 6-pack the fastest? The first.
Me now go for 6 packs.
Alright, alright.
Joe, me I go get the 6-pack.
Yeah, cause you have memory.
Yeah, me have memory something there on my belly. Lucian, you alright?
I know some feel like me a burn fuck. I don't want to take off now yet. God knows.
Are you skinny?
Yeah.
I just your belly.
Easy down and say alright, more walk your rest.
Man,
Yeah.
running is the best
Way for burn fat.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I want to burn no fat. Yeah.
You know I'm burning
So you
fat?
stop for a walk.
You remember when I loan the ribs bone in the leg and them blade
Yeah.
collarbone and I can catch water and it.
Yes, sir.
No, that dead.
You see your battery are dead, young man?
Yeah, battery are dead right now, so both for checking back with you now. It was a good session.
Yeah, man.
Chat move.
Tomorrow again, same
You look like
time.
one big picnic, huh?
Well, we don't know if Lucian are going there tomorrow for
No.
that session. Yeah. That's him I go over back over film side. Lucian supposed to
Rain for a little while.
forward in the week to work on some thing, song and little film and them thing, you know?
Hey.
Yes, I'm gonna go home today.
Treyway.
No, cherry alright.
Can't sing Panther belly dog.
Say,
Abs them are hurt. Maybe I have to take a bucket little belly when we get. Yeah.
yo, we are running Lucian stuff and say, yo, you know I get so fit.
You want to gain weight?
You want to gain weight?
Yeah.
But then you get tired.
Yeah, I can't feel like me I lose weight.
Me right, you know, my beard look like it a patch out so. I comb me one comb though.
No, that part out.
No man, a pepper green.
It's a patch out,
A pepper green name man.
Too much chemical.
You start losing hair now.
Not tell nobody. Me gone.
Yes, it was a nice exercise. So right now we're about to do road. So I want to say, how was it, Jill?
Yo, me feel like me drunk.
You feel like you're drunk? Oh, you must have.
No, from weekend we got.
Yeah, cause no, we not get no good rest.
Yeah, we not get no good rest. Oh, me look white. You can't put some color on the camera.
Yeah, I color you. Me color Ricky.
You know Ross Whitey?
Ross Whitey?
Yeah, Ross Whitey. Ross Whitey.
Alright, so me just
White Ross.
give thanks unto the most, you know, so trouble save your life.
Yo,
That's
me drink
suffer,
Hills, dog.
no, it's salt. It's salt, you know.
Me not drink Zephyr Hills. Me discriminate.
It's
Them
salt.
money are hype.
No, it's salt free, it's
Me
salt.
drink
Me
What do you want, one of these?
Me appreciate it, boy, hype.
What do you want,
It's
one of
salt.
these?
Yeah,
This is
it's
all
salt,
I
it have
drink.
salt.
Yeah, it have too much salt in
This
it.
is all I drink.
Me
But
drink
they finish
smart
right.
water or
Yeah, so we are do road right now, go back at the crib, so up it. So right now we in a Brafford's shop, Ricky there. Lose on the road now, so. You know what I mean? We don't know what we are looking for right now. I look for coconut milk. Me G, as you can see, a beer water and beer. Yeah. Yeah man, we are consume healthy, so yeah. Are we at the read the mackerel?
Hey.
What's your ass?
Miami, I watch you to say Miami, you make it up. And then
Yeah, you can do me a favor,
them we
you see
come
that?
just reach home back, you know what I mean? We just left supermarket. Right now, me really I try to do this people. So right now, me just want to give me some encouragement words in the description, in the comment section below. Remember how me on that talk. Me really I try the healthy stuff here and the exercising stuff here. So give me some encouragement word, comment it below. Remember this is me on the talk. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm gonna buy some okra, I'm gonna buy scallion, be a sweet pepper and them something there. Buy a piece of pumpkin so I can switch it up. Buy some banana for consume. You know what I mean? We really do this. We just ease my way in there step by step. This was just a little shopping, we get some water. But in a weekend, I go supermarket, go do a big shopping. Like, probably like a month, I don't need to go supermarket after I do this. You know what I mean? So, right now, I'm just gonna left with the vlog. I'm gonna edit this tonight right now. So I can get it for watch tomorrow. Because tomorrow we are gonna chill again. And all them good something there. So, blessings and respect for come check out the vlog here with me. And, you know what I mean? Yeah, just big up on yourself. Up it. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and all them good something there. And leave me some encouragement word. Because honestly, me I try and me I do it. 1 week now, me I do the healthy eating. 1 week exactly. And me start jail today. Yeah, so we are doing it. Big up on yourself. Blessings and respect. Up it with no pity.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason? Thank God them with me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now, so big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself on